How to enable or disable Super Drag and Drop in Microsoft Edge. Try out one of Edge's experimental features. Here's how you can enable or disable Super Drag and Drop in Microsoft Edge. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. What is Super Drag and Drop on Microsoft Edge? For some versions of the Microsoft Edge web browser, Microsoft adds experimental features for users to try out. Super Drag and Drop is available starting with Edge version 111. As the name implies, this feature lets users open links or copy web content from the browser to another application by simply dragging and dropping. However, as this is a new feature, users may not become accustomed to or prefer its functions. Therefore, it is crucial to understand how to enable or disable this feature in Microsoft Edge. Here are 4 ways to do it. 4 methods to enable or disable Super Drag and Drop. 1 is to head to Edge Flags. Open the Edge browser and type edge://flags/edge-super-drag-drop into the address bar. This will lead you to a list of enabled or disabled experimental features. From here, find Enable the Super Drag and Drop feature. Click the drop-down box and set it to Enabled or Disabled. Apply changes by clicking Restart in the bottom right corner of the browser. Another method is through Group Policy, which enables or disables this feature across different units of a managed environment. Open the Group Policy editor and navigate to Computer Configuration, Administrative Templates, Microsoft Edge, Super Drag and Drop. Double-click Control Super Drag and Drop, set to Enabled, and select one of the following. Enabled Default to use Edge's default behavior, Enabled Always On to keep it enabled regardless of Edge flag settings, Enabled Always Off to disable it system-wide. Click OK and run gp-update/force on the command prompt to save changes. If you have no group policy, you can use Registry Editor. Run Registry Editor and navigate to H-key, local machine, \software, \policies, \Microsoft, \Edge. Create a new D word named Super Drag Drop Enabled and set the value to 0 to disable, 1 to enable, 2 to always enable, users cannot disable it, and 3 to always disable, users cannot enable it. Apply changes by restarting Edge or the system. Finally, you can also use PowerShell scripts to automate changes. Simply use this command to disable, or this command to enable. Now, you can adjust how you use Microsoft Edge and its latest features to your own preference and comfort. For more information, check out our official blog post on how to disable Super Drag and Drop in Microsoft Edge, linked in the description below.